What's good, squadrons and squadettes, man? I'm giving the daily some love today. I haven't washed this car in so long, man. I'm always washing the S2000, but I'm never washing it daily. And I like for my cars to be clean, you know? Even though it's just that time of season where pollen is everywhere, and it's kind of pointless to wash it, but it just makes you feel better. Alright, so I just finished washing and cleaning the element, vacuumed it out, cleaned the interior, everything. So that shit is shining, smelling good. Now I'm gonna polish my works because they need to get polished, they need to be cleaned up. I don't like for when my wheels look like that, so I'm just gonna do it now, clean them up. It's supposed to be like a nice little cars and coffee tomorrow, but I'm not sure what kind of show it is because from what I see, it's a lot of like hyper cars and stuff like that, so I don't know. I might pull up with the S2000, they might look at me like, what the fuck is that? Nice and shiny. Yeah. So I keep getting a lot of people asking me, Phil, where's the duckbill? The duckbill's right here. I was gonna spray, when I sprayed it myself, I didn't like the way it came out. So what I'm gonna do is, which was the initial plan, I'm gonna mold the duckbill to my trunk. I already got a quote for it. I just been waiting for someone to give me a donor S2000 trunk. So my boy Hector, he was at the meetup last night. He said he'll lend me his, so that way I could take my trunk off and send it to go get molded and everything. So we're about to have that duckbill on, you guys, and then the S2000 will look like a mean, lean beast. I don't know. So right now I'm just like sanding it down and stuff. Alright guys, so your boy just finished getting showered up and got dressed, deciding what car I want to drive today. Do I want to drive the S or do I want to drive the Element, since I washed the Element and it's clean? But I don't know. Ness, what car do you think we should drive today?
The Lexus.
She wants to drive in her Lexus. She doesn't, or do you want to drive the S2000 yourself?
Yeah.
Alright guys, y'all see this? She's about to whip the S. That one. She thinks she got it. She do look bad next to it, don't she, y'all? Woo! Woo! Let's see if she still got it. Woo! She got it. Alright, now let me see you air it up. Oh! safety first. Y'all think she still got it, y'all? I don't think she got it. Oh, she got it. She's really whipping it without me in the car. That is crazy. She probably down there stuck. Oh wait, no, she's at the stop sign. Gas, gas, baby, gas. Good job. She want to ride in the Flexus, but look how clean the Element look. Woo! Straight to the booth. She said one fuck bitch I do. I put a hole in your parents. This right here is what you need to keep your wheels polished. This right here. And I want to get some black paint. But this right here is what you need. This blue jean material. You use this with some mothers and a nice little hammerhead drill, and it'll polish up your wheels to a complete shine. Alright, so now that I got everything I need, I could go home. Well, I have to go to Target too. Well, she needs to go to Target. I don't know what she's looking at, but we gotta go to Target. I do need to get myself a more of a higher profile jack, so that way when I'm jacking up the car I could put the jack stands on it, but right now I don't feel like doing that. So I just came here for these two, and that's it. Home Depot always has everything I need. I got car shampoos and stuff like that too here. I remember when I was younger, I used to always go to Toys R Us and try to cop mad Yu-Gi-Oh cards to go to school. I wasn't really a big Pokemon fan, but I definitely had all the Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Yo, what's good, squad? Your boy is finally home. The day is over. It's 3:30 in the morning. I just finished editing this vlog for you guys. Just want to say thank you to everybody who's been clicking into these videos every single day, trying to get your boy up to 10,000 subscribers. You guys really mean the most to me. But tomorrow, me and Vanessa will be at the Cars and Coffee at the Garden State Plaza. So if you're gonna be there, come check us out. We'll be out there. Alright, we already made the plan and we are texting each other right now talking about it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to polish my wheels before I go tomorrow. Like, with the Dremel, or I might do it after. I don't know. I was going to wash the S2000 today because it was like kind of had like that green pollen over it. But then I was like, man, I'm going to wash the car and it's going to get back dirty again. But like the Element was like super dirty. But today was pretty fun. After we left from there, we went to her friend's house. We played some games and stuff like that, and we drank and all that cool stuff. So, you know, I didn't feel like vlogging all of that. And like I said, if you guys do want to see stuff like that, just let me know. I'll make it more personal. But for now, I just kind of keep it about the cars. Oh, someone just commented on one of the videos. But yeah, man, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's been watching the videos, rocking with me, subscribing, liking, and commenting, man. I just want you guys to engage, talk to me, ask questions, whatever you want to see, just let me know. And I'm gonna be doing a pull in my car soon for you guys. I'm gonna do a outside, like have the truck, like the car, the camera sitting on the outside, or someone holding the camera, and I'm gonna do a flyby for y'all so that y'all can hear it, because everyone keeps asking for it. So I'm gonna do it. But other than that, you already know what it is. We back on a daily grind. Phyllis 2K Squad, we out.